all you could do to keep it from doing donuts. I want to get a good jump off of it. Go ahead.
Repairman! Repairman! Repairman!
Go ahead.
Oh, how'd you get up?
That was good. Alright, you get this angled up. Flip it off the ground. Go slow towards the ramp. Pit crew. Did you? Yeah. Yeah, I know.
It's real touchy.
Oh, wait, it's in the very good.
Yeah.
It's all sand? All of this is usually all sand, and it just turned to dirt real fast. fun, isn't it?
Oh yeah.
There you go. Right there.
No, it got,
You got another battery?
No, it got this in it. Maybe this is slowing it down. Look. Here, don't hit it yet. It gets moss stuck in it back here. That's the only problem. For RCs, because I got these little ramps right here. Go over. We could jump those, come around here, and then come over here.
Is there another battery for that?
Yeah, we got another fully charged battery. Or it should be fully charged by now. Yeah. It's gotta be some cool footage though.
Yeah.
Yeah, get some turn off. See what that gate off it looks like. Go back there. That air stop.